A super simple and beautiful summer salad, watermelon, mint, and feta. It starts with fresh watermelon, and you can either use a melon baller or you can use what I'm using, which is just a tablespoon. You can also use a teaspoon. And once you have prepared all of your melon balls, it's time to assemble your salad. I have a big bundle of fresh mint and it smells so refreshing and amazing. I also have my feta cheese and of course some lime juice. So to assemble the salad, I'm just going to beautifully layer my fresh watermelon balls. And then I'm going to add my feta cheese. And I'm just going to tear off some pieces of fresh mint. Add as much or as little as you like. And some lime juice. And a drizzle of pomegranate molasses. Now I told you it was simple. Voila! Our beautiful watermelon, mint, and feta salad. Time for a taste. It just bursts with flavor. Everything complements each other so nicely. You're gonna love this recipe. Bon appetit!